Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something I haven't done in a long time and I'm very excited about it. We're going to be unboxing the Journal Junk box for kids, and I'm so excited to open this box and to show you what's in it. So if you enjoy this type of content and other homeschool and lifestyle content, please remember to subscribe and let's get into it. Okay, if you've been around here a while, you know how much I love journaling. I put out a video a while ago that was 7,777 days of journaling, and I just love it. I've been journaling almost every single day since I was in my early teenage years, and so I'll make sure I link that video below, and I have another one also of ways to start journaling or to keep journaling. I can't remember exactly what it is. And so when they reached out to me to ask me if I wanted to try a journaling box and to share it with you guys, I was like, yes. I love journaling. I'm such an advocate of it. I feel like it's so important. It not only helps with, creative writing and just writing in general, but also just is so important to remember those things that you've been through, experiences you've had. And so that's why I think journaling is so much fun. And when you have fun accessories and notebooks and pens, that makes it even better. So I'm really excited to open this for you. I do have a code for you. I believe it's Jacqueline Love. I'll make sure it's down in the description box, and it's for 15% off. And so if you go to their website and pick one of their subscriptions, they start at like $27 depending on how long you get them for and what ones you get them for, because they have the Journal Junk box, which I have seen Subbox Lover unbox, and the sack, the Journal Junk sack. And so those ones I've seen already here on YouTube. I haven't seen any of the kids ones, so I don't know what to expect here. But if you are interested in using that code, I'll make sure the website and the code are linked down below so that you can go check them out. And without further ado, let's open this box. Okay, I believe this is the November holiday themed box. And so when you sign up for this, you won't be getting this box. You'll be getting either the December or the January. I'm not exactly sure how it works or what the stock looks like. But this could also be a great Christmas present, even if they don't have like a Christmas one available when you get it. You could get a subscription for someone, a grandchild, an adult, if you got the Journal Junk box instead of the kids box. There's so many options. So when you open it up, it has this on top, and I just don't even know what to expect, guys. I'm so excited, and I'm excited to share it with my kids. But it has Jot and Jingle November. That's cute. And I'm not gonna look at the back. I think that's what's in the box. It's a spoiler. But it says journaling tips. So it gives you, this is great. I love this so much, guys. I love journaling so much. And it's just such an important life skill. And so if you don't know where to start, I love that they give you some tips there. And then there's a few other things in here. Oh, this is for like sharing, I think, on social media, and then a bookmark. And then we're gonna get down. We're getting down to the nitty gritty here. So Creative Kids Write is what the sticker says, and that's super cute. And then we have all these little, what are these, styrofoam squash things. So in here, there is some clay, some molding clay. Again, I'd have to look through everything to know exactly how all of these, this looks a little bit more Christmas themed. So maybe they sent me the Christmas box instead. And so that's, the red Model Magic clay is right here. And then there's some washi tape that has a cute Christmas decoration on it, like different drinks, hot chocolates and stuff like that, coffee probably. And then Home for Christmas sun catcher. So a little activity. Whoa, this is cool. I'm like, I don't even know. This is different than a sun catcher. I've seen they're little pebbly things. Interesting. Okay, so there's that. And then there's some stickers right here, and those are fun. There's some different holiday, more wintry themes, I feel like, with that one. And then some Grinch pencils. So there are 6 pencils in here. So those are some super cute pencils right there for the Grinch. And then, excuse me, some pens. These are some cute pens. They have a little reindeer and a Santa and a tree. And then there's a notebook in here so that you can obviously journal all these things. So I don't know if the goal is to provide you with things to journal about. I'll have to look through it a little bit and I'll do that right now and see if I can figure out exactly how it's all supposed to work. But you know, they give you a few crafts to do, you know, which I think that's kind of the goal. They're giving you stuff for creative writing, but also things for yourself to just kind of relax a little bit. But then you could also journal about those. So let me take a sneak peek real quick through the back and see if I can gain any more information, since this is my first time opening this box. Okay, so a few things that I have noticed from just looking through this and reading through this. Like I said, there's the journaling tips here, but then there's also some journaling prompts on the back of this for all 4 weeks. And then it has remember to use your mood, a scope bookmark. So on the back of this bookmark, it actually goes through how you're feeling that day, or maybe that moment, I don't know. And you could write about it. Again, my blinds, I love them. This time, filming my normal time of day right now in these winter months is giving me lines like this for my blinds. So enjoy that. But so this is fun, right? The kids could go through this because sometimes they don't know how to put emotions to, words to what they're feeling. So they could read through this and be like, okay, this is how I'm feeling today, and write about that in their journal. So there's tons of different things that's giving you to write about. And then it does have right here for like the modeling clay, it says mold your imagination into 3-dimensional things. So that's kind of the goal behind that. And then I believe the sun catcher thing is an activity for you to be able to do during the holidays. And you obviously could write about that in your journal as well. So I like how it's not just here's some things, but there's a lot of prompts of what you could do. You could talk about your emotions. You could have something you just talk about every week, right? You could go in and answer some of these questions. I feel like there's a lot of good ways that this could be used, and so I really appreciate that. All right, so that was the journal jump box for kids. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, there's a link down below with my discount code, and you can get 15% off when you order your box. And if you enjoy seeing these unboxings, let me know. It's been a while since I've unboxed things, but I used to do that all the time. And I will look into doing more unboxings as well for you if you enjoyed this type of content. And give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.